Is the STYLPRO 4-in-1 Ionic Facial Steamer, and today we're going to show you how to use all 4 settings. So the first thing you need to know is how to fill the water tank at the back. So you can take it out, unscrew the cap, and you're going to want to fill it up with either deionized or distilled water, and you're going to want to fill that up right to the top. Then you can pop the lid back on and put the water tank back inside the steamer. The next thing we're going to show you how to do is take the lid off. So you want to make sure that the arrow goes into the unlocked position like this and pull it off like that. So for the first setting, which is the warm towel setting, you're going to take the lid off and make sure the water tank's filled up and pop the wet towel that you want to warm inside the chamber. Then pop the lid back on, make sure it's lined up in the unlocked position and twist it like so. Then you want to turn the setting onto warm towel, wait a couple of minutes for your towel to warm up and then turn it off. Then you can reopen your steamer, get some tweezers and take out your nice warm towel. For the facial steamer setting, please make sure that your water tank is filled at the back and never pour anything into the top. Turn the controls twice onto facial steamer, wait a little while and the steam will start to come out. Make sure that you stay at least 30 centimeters away from the steamer, otherwise it may get too hot for your face. To use the aromatherapy setting, make sure that your water tank is filled up at the back. Take the lid off like this and you're going to take the beaker provided that it comes with and you're going to pop in a couple of drops of your favourite essential oils. Then you're going to pop it into the main body of the steamer and put the lid back on. Then all you need to do is just pop the setting onto the very last one. If you wish to humidify your room, you don't need to put anything into the main body, just make sure the water tank is filled at the back, pop the setting onto the last one again, and just wait a few minutes and your room will start to heat up from the steam. We recommend cleaning your steamer at least once a week, and when you do, all you need to do is just open it up and take a mixture of 50% white vinegar, 50% water, and just pop it into the main chamber and let it soak for about half an hour. Then rinse with distilled water. Never put any soap into the chamber or in the water tank, as this may cause bubbles and spitting the next time you use the steamer. Please only wash with white vinegar and water.